What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today we are taking care of the driver door issues that we have with the car. We obviously have a broken mirror on this side. Can't be driving around with that. And also, it has no window. The window is right there. We just got the new window regulator in. It's the only part we had to get from the dealer so far. Hopefully it's the last. But we got to put this thing back into the window. And then it should be good to go. It's fairly difficult pulling the driver door apart, so we'll see how that goes. I don't really remember how we took it apart. We kind of like cut it apart. But also, I got another mirror that had good glass. I paid very little for it because I didn't want to pay a ton. So we got... Oh, so clumsy. All right. Stand by while I'm just wasting my time picking up shit. Alright, so we got our case. This is a Montego Blue. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. This is from the crashed car. That side, the driver's side that got hit. So it actually can probably clean up pretty well. It's color matching though. So then we got our glass. We'll put the glass in there. We got to get this ring off. This one's a little broken. And this is the good ring off of this car, or off this mirror. I paid 20 bucks for that. They wanted like 15 for non-OEM ones on Amazon. So we'll go pretty much like that. Put it in there up against these rubber pads. We'll glue it together and then we'll put it on. All right, now that I have the new piece of glass in the old mirror cover, let's see, this is the bad one, this is the good one. I'm gonna see how this thing fits on here. Good as it should. And then we're going to Gorilla Glue it down so that way we have ourselves a good mirror. Now remember not to get Gorilla Glue on yourself because this stuff is sticky and it will not come off. Wear gloves if you can. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put tape over it and tape it down. Probably not with this tape, that's a bad idea. Alright, now that we have that glued down, we're gonna let that cure. It takes about 2 hours, so we'll get back to that. We'll start working on the window. All right, I just took this mirror off for the time being because we're gonna need to replace it anyways while we're over here. But yeah, the underspray or overspray this guy used looks terrible. It was all over the screws and everything, so that was fun to get rid of. I'm really hoping I can remember how to put the crank back in because that was pretty difficult. I did end up replacing this piece because even on the broken door that was T-boned, it was still in one piece, and the one that came on this car had a big old chunk missing out of here. Alright guys, here it is. After finally all the donated parts off of this car, we have a completed car. Barn find Miata. It's got the new mirror, got the window closed. This is the first time this car has been sealed because the window was broken and up, and that car wouldn't seal because it didn't have latches, so it's all good to go. Got the whole front end swap off of that car. Just about anything I could swap into it that was nicer, I swapped over. She's good, ready to go. She's running right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it runs real quiet. So I'm pretty happy with it. I gotta clean a couple things, like clean the mirror and windows and whatnot in the rear window. I want to buff all this paint out. My dad actually went through and buffed all this out with a heavy buffing, and you can see this is really shiny. And then it starts dulling a little bit over here, and the door is really dull. I don't know if you can catch that on camera. You can see how shiny that is. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the front lip. I think I'm gonna paint it satin black so it kind of looks a little better. Maybe do some rubbing compound and everything else. Mirror came out good. I still need to clean the back of it. So it's coming along pretty good. I still have to do the suspension, the brakes, the hubs, and this list has got a little bit ridiculous. Still gotta pull the engine and trans out of that. I'm getting a cherry picker and an engine hoist tonight, so I'm going to start pulling that apart either this weekend or next weekend, but We're going to SEMA this year, which you guys didn't know about. I'll talk about that more in a different video, but I think that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you all very much for watching. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.